Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are here with Prestige Motor Yachts to have a look at this Prestige 420 42-foot flybridge boat. I really like this boat. In my mind, I think this is one of the better small flybridge boats available on the market today. It's just a really good package. And to start on the bathing platform, as you can see, pretty decent sized bathing platform. Lovely. It doesn't have obviously a tender storage garage, but we do have is a decent size locker in there which you could easily put a folded tender into with an outboard. Immediately you step on board through the gated entry. I'm guessing that this particular variant has a high-low platform on it, but you enter into this really friendly, really nice cockpit area. Obviously access to the flybridge, 4 decks. Underneath here you have a lazarette, so a bit of storage space. I suspect there's also a little bit of storage under those seats. Big sliding doors take you into the saloon, which is really welcoming. And I do like the way they finish these off with light woods and light fabrics. Quite practically, you have a wooden floor so you can step in and out the galley, get yourself drinks. There's a couple of fridge freezer units down here without having to necessarily dry your feet off. Over on the port side there's a little galley. You can see cooker, twin burner hob, sink down here, and then cabinetry all the way around for a bit of storage. And instantly here you can see the massive windows and the height that it gives you in here. It's very much like a little bit like an American loft apartment. So a little sofa over this side, big diner area over there with a high-low table which will fold out. One step up takes you forward to the helm station, opening window on the starboard side, joystick control, throttle and shifters, and all the usual selection of screens for navigation, engine information, switch gear, everything you would pretty much expect in there. A little bit of storage as you can see over here. I think that even might be pop-up TV. Let's have a quick peek. Yeah, there you go. Pop-up TV. Really neat way of getting that out of the way. A few steps down. Takes us down into the lower accommodation area. Straight away forward takes you to the double berth. Again, surprising headroom. Seems very beamy at the bow here. Lots of light and ventilation. Plenty of storage all the way around. Nice full height wardrobe in here. Really nice fit and finish. And quite cleverly, if you look here, there's a 2-part door. So there's part of 2/3 of the door this side, 1/3 of the door that side. Just gives you a bit of extra floor space. It means they can move the bed, make the bed a little bit bigger. So on the side here we have the sort of day heads, or heads to the forward cabin. Very nicely finished out with a separate shower, which is really nice. And then over on the other side we have the master cabin. So the reason I like this is it's a relatively decent sized boat for 42-45 foot, but it comes with a full beam master cabin. Midships. So it's really quiet, loads of light against these massive hull windows, tons and tons of storage down the side here. Granted, it's not headroom all the way around, but they've done a very clever job of cutting spaces out to give you headroom. Just makes for a really nice bed. If I go over this side, you get an idea of the size of this cabin for what is a relatively small boat for mid-cabin. Storage over there, TV behind us, but just so light and so airy. Obviously it comes with its own heads. So in here we have the day heads, or the master cabin heads. Again, separate shower, which is really nice. Very stylish, opening ventilation. Just a lovely finish. Lovely finish, really nice, but I have to admit I do like this. This is my probably next boat of choice, I think. So there you go, very quick tour as I say, because I was trying to catch these boats before people come and have a look around them as serious buyers. And I'm just going to tiptoe up onto the flybridge, give you an idea of the flybridge. So nice grab rails as you go up, takes you onto the flybridge. So you can see it's not vast because again this is only a sort of 42 to 45 foot boat. Another sun pad forwards, those cushions pop up to give you sort of a leaning post against. Really good visibility forwards, and if you're the skipper, so that's your helm station, again with your joystick controllers and your repeaters, but you've got a really good view, one of alongside, obviously the bow, but equally you can peer through the hatch, see the stern when you're coming stern to. Little galley area at the top here, so there's a fridge under there. I guess there's some sort of cooking option underneath there, and again more seating around the back here, and a beautiful stainless tower for radar, navigation alike. And then if we have a quick look on the foredeck while we're up here, you can see there's more foredeck cushions which fold up to give you proper seating, and all your anchor handling gear up at the bow. So there you go. Hope you've enjoyed that tour of the Prestige 420. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time around. Thank you.